Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection not working problem on any Android phone. We are often faced with such problems, like, we turn on Wi-Fi connection but Wi-Fi connection turn off automatically. Or we turn on Wi-Fi connection for scanning connection but scanning not working. So let's start how to fix this issue. First of all, go to your phone settings. And then go network reset settings according to your phone settings. And reset your network. After resetting network, go to developer options. Now scroll down and find out Wi-Fi scan throttling option. If it turn on, turn off it. And also find out always keep mobile data on option. And turn on it if it off. After following the steps, restart your device. And check problem solved or not. Hopefully this problem will be solved. Guys, thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.